The last two things you need are new workout and dieting plans, because that's not the reason you're overweight. The reason you're overweight is because you can't stay consistent for more than just a week or two. You need to change your mindset and your daily habits, because those two things determine how you operate. And if they're not aligned with where you want to go, you're not going to achieve your goals. You have to stop telling yourself that you're too busy to lose weight, or you're still fat because your metabolism is too slow, because those are just false beliefs that are helping you cope with the fact that you haven't been able to reach your dream physique yet. The best part is, once you truly realize that there's nothing external standing between you and where you want to go, and that it's only reliant on your motivation and your determination to achieve your dream physique, that's when you're going to start taking action and actually stay consistent for more than just a few weeks. Get your mindset right, because once you have that on point, you'll see the other things have a way of figuring themselves out.